Wow, peeps, really loud. Well, there's the rain. It's Friday night. Actually, it's 1 in the morning. I'm still up. I was, checking COVID news and stuff like that. It's been raining. Anyhow, peeps, I just wanted you to hear all that. It's just as loud inside the house. I'll have you guys hear it. Can you hear that? Oh, you scared me. My baby girl's up, having a snack. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh wait, let me turn on some lights. Oh, do you have a you guys look at my section, my mask. All the masks. I just hang it here. So many masks. Me and my boys own. That's just me and Wyatt's own only. Can you hear that? Alright, peeps. Snacks. Ooh, you hear that? Ooh, that sounds so cozy. Well, I don't know. Tomorrow's supposed to be flea market. Well, I'm only gonna go be shopping for plants, so I'm gonna go to the new one. So it's not muddy. So I think I'll be okay. Alright, peeps, I'll see you in the morning. It was just raining, I just wanted to share that. Alright? Hafaadai, peeps. Happy Friday. Well, Saturday morning. See you guys.